How to increase your video quality and color grade in CapCut. Now to work on your videos, look at this down place that says edit, audio, text, overlay, effects, captions, all those things. Once you want to adjust the video, click on adjust from here and you can increase your brightness. Just play around with your screen. You see, this is for the brightness area. You can add contrast, a lot of things you can do to your videos, saturations, all those things are things you can add to your video. Just play around till you get the particular one you're looking for. Sharpen, brilliance, like a lot of things that the video can do for you. You can even decide to color grade your videos to your taste, okay, if you don't want to. And once again, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you will always get notified whenever I make new videos. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. I'll see you when I see you.